Hi, I'm Scott Richardson,
And I'm Joni Stovall.
and we're here to invite you to the Project Grow 50th Anniversary Public Celebration and Annual Tomato Tasting, taking place on August 20th.
From 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Leslie Science and Nature Center. We will have our annual tomato tasting going on from about 11:30 to 2:30, as well as food trucks and...
We will have a U-Pick garden for the kids.
Okay.
We will also have kids' crafts.
Yes, chalk art, music, dancing, garden tours, lots of people to talk to.
Absolutely. Well, Project Grow started at the corner of Stone School and Ellsworth. We incorporated in 1972 with a vision to bring the community together to garden.
And at this point, we have about 21 sites with about 450 gardeners registered this year.
Absolutely. So let's talk a little bit about this public celebration. The tomato tasting has been happening for several years. It's a staple of the Ann Arbor community. We're very excited to bring that back this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out of COVID. And so please come down and join us. We will have, again, the U-Pick garden for the kids. There will be gardeners on hand to give some tours of the Leslie gardens that we have there, which are all raised discovery beds. The Leslie Science Center, again, will be open, so you can see the raptors, the playground. We'll have music, and we will have the Pittsfield
Open band, right.
Open
They'll
band
be playing.
doing square dancing and calling, as well as, like we said, the food trucks.
Absolutely.
You can find out more by visiting the website at
projectgrowgardens.org.
If you have any questions, you can email us at
info@projectgrowgardens.org.
And if you want to sign up for our newsletter, you can use that same email address to do so.
We look forward to seeing you there.
Come on down.